When a Git rebase hits a wall of conflicts, developers often turn to AI for help. Both Gemini and ChatGPT promise to untangle messy merges, but which one actually delivers? In a controlled test with a deliberately conflicted branch, Gemini produced a clean, minimal diff, preserving the intent of both sides. ChatGPT, while verbose, offered a workable solution but occasionally favored one version over the other. The key difference lies in their context handling. Gemini's longer window allowed it to see the entire conflict history, while ChatGPT sometimes lost track of earlier decisions. For simple conflicts, both are competent, but for complex, multi-file rebases, Gemini's precision saves time. The takeaway: use AI as a first pass to auto-resolve repetitive conflicts, then manually review the logic. Pair that with a solid test suite, and rebase anxiety becomes a thing of the past.